Hey there. I'm out on my second camping trip. I'm out here in the Shawnee National Forest. This place is called Jackson Falls. Supposed to be lots of hiking, and there's supposed to be a falls somewhere. So I took 2 dogs and myself and used my new tent, and I still don't think I got set up right, but I'm done. It took me forever, but man, I got plenty of room. Not very many people here. Most of the people who were going to see the falls have already gone. I've got the leashes with me in case we do meet up with somebody and the dogs make them nervous. This is supposed to be the way to the falls, but somehow I don't think it's going to be anything spectacular because, well, look at the creek. Dry. But anyway, I think it said it was a 1/4 of a mile. So we're just going to go and see what we can see. Yeah, we might have already passed the falls. It's just too dry. They need some rain here, but not now, after I'm gone. Although it is supposed to rain today. The wind has kicked up. But it is pretty here. It's gorgeous. I think we're going to turn around pretty soon. I need to make myself some sandwiches. You guys ready to turn around and go back? Kemba, you ready to come back? Kemba! I'll get him back. See y'all later. Silo got in there too, but this dog is crazy. This dog is crazy. Whoa! That's a wrong step, huh? I swear if it gets very cold, I might be getting in there too. I mean cold, hot. It's very humid today. Alright, we'll see if I can get up this hill here and go this way. Looks like the people have made plenty of trails on their own, besides the one that there's messages about up the way. Alright, later. Wow, I found a bathroom. It's got a lock on it. This might be, oh no. Yeah, it's a vault toilet. These are so nasty. Oh, gross. Well, it's well stocked. All I'm going to do is empty my bucket in there before I leave. So, but if anybody goes camping and all they have is a vault toilet, I would suggest you bring your own disinfectant wipes. So there's the road that we came from. That's where we were just at. That goes to the falls. And I got no idea where that goes to. But anyway, we turned in here. And yeah, this road is horrible. You have to be careful or you'll be high and dry. So don't be grounding out in the middle. And I can see my van and our tent there. So I'm going to make me some sandwiches and probably go lay down. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys how I do my cooler. So instead of putting ice in there to keep everything cool, I take these empty bottles of juice and fill them with water, and I stick them in my freezer in the basement. And And they'll stay pretty cool for a couple of days before they're all the way thawed out. So I just thought I'd give that little hint. I don't know what's going on here this weekend. We've got people from Minnesota, Pennsylvania, Oregon, California. I don't know what's going on. And I think I could swear I heard an ambulance. I don't see one down here. I hope nobody's hurt. It's the sheriff. That time I seen who that was. That's the sheriff. I don't know what's going on. And all those different license plates from out of state, they're probably students all going to the same college or something. If I find out anything, I'll let y'all know. Can hear the helicopter now. Somebody was walking down past the van here and heard him talking about the helipad. So apparently someone has been injured and a helicopter is going to take him out to the hospital. I can see the helicopter going by now. I hope it's not a very bad accident. And it really sucks. I'm hearing a second helicopter. Wonder if there's more than one injured. I'm telling you, that mountain climbing is some dangerous stuff. It's the start of our third day here. I think we're going to have to leave. This thing is good for carrying water, and I like the fact that it collapses down when it's empty, but as far as pouring, it's not worth a damn. Mr. Kemba has got some kind of rash. It started with his tail, but now it's on his private parts. And see, he keeps licking and chewing and licking, so obviously it's itching. So I think he's going to have to go home, and we're going to have to put some kind of ointment on it, and then probably the cone of shame until I can get him in Saturday and get him some shots, and then ask that vet what they think. There's a traveling vet that goes to the farm and home place every other Saturday, and they're going to be there on the 5th. So if we can hold this off until the 5th, I'm going to have them look at him. The shots will be so much cheaper than taking him to the vet. There's no office visit charged. Well, I might be heading on home. I don't know. I don't really want to. A lot of the kids have left. I'm not in no hurry to get back home, but so Miss Silo's driving me and her crazy with this ball playing, but she's so obsessed that she can't help herself. Anyway, I've been like rearranging stuff, breaking it down so it'd be easier to pack up. And I don't know, I might see y'all later.